How to attach a filter to any FUJIFILM X100 series camera. As you can see, the lens itself does not have threads that allow you to screw on the filter. However, the option is technically available, but it's implemented in a somewhat contradictory manner. The thing is, you can remove the front ring from the lens. But don't get too excited. A standard filter won't fit on these threads. FUJIFILM offers an additional accessory that allows you to attach not only any standard 49mm filters, but also a special lens hood to your FUJIFILM X100. As you can see, it's a very simple ring, but it's not cheap, and this approach does not reflect well on the FUJIFILM company. The good news is that this ring is compatible with all cameras in the series, so you won't have to replace it even if you upgrade from the very first X100 to the X100V. The lens cap constantly falls off, so I prefer to use a protective filter and carry the camera with a case but without the lens cap. Of course, when you need to achieve better quality, this filter should be removed.